Hey everyone! If your iPhone 16e keeps accidentally triggering emergency SOS, it'll show you how to turn it off or adjust the settings to prevent it from happening unexpectedly. Let's get started. First of all, open Settings on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on Emergency SOS. Here, you will see different options for triggering SOS. Now, turn off Auto Call. If you do not want your phone to automatically call emergency services, turn off Call with Side button and Call with Hold and Release. This prevents SOS from activating when you press the power button multiple times or hold it down for too long. Over here, adjust countdown sound. If you want to keep SOS on but avoid accidental calls, you can turn off countdown sound by turning the green Call Quietly button. This way, your phone won't make a loud noise when SOS is triggered, giving you a chance to cancel it if needed. And that's it. Now you know how to turn off or adjust the SOS settings on your iPhone 16e, so it only activates when you really need it. I hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.